Hey, what's up beauties? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I braided my hair for the first time myself, so continue watching. So here I am showing you how I started off. I parted my hair in two sections. It is by no means perfect because it was a challenge making the parts, and then I just sectioned the back because that's where I'll start, at the back. I sectioned two small ones at the bottom. This hair I bought it on Amazon. I got 5 packs in the pack, and I paid $18.97 for the hair. It's just a normal synthetic braiding hair. And to do my hair myself, I decided to use the elastic band method. So after sectioning my hair in small sections, I use the elastic band to hold the sections together, and then I just put the braiding hair around my natural hair. So by doing that, I have two parts of the synthetic hair, and the other part is my natural hair to make the third section to form the braid. So this is me where I'm elastic in the section before I applied the braid. And this method makes it very easy because you want to make sure that you get the root of the hair to be very tight. And then I just put the braid around it and start lapping over and pulling the hair through to braid it, and I try my best to hold it taut so that I can get the root as tight as possible. This hair is 24 inches. I wanted a little pop of color, but nothing too bright, so I went with that ombre blonde and black braid. So I saw a girl on TikTok doing this. She was braiding her hair herself, and when it got too long for her to hold it out and braid it, she just put it in her mouth, and I decided to try that, and it makes it so much easier when you're getting to the bottom of the hair. And then once I finish braiding, I just pull it to let it stretch out. So this is when I've finished the second row, the third row, and there's just one more row on the back, which you will see in a bit. There it is. And the back is now complete, and I like how that looks. I think I did a great job for braiding my hair myself the first time, and I do not have short hair, so it was a challenge. So when I got to the front, I parted it in two sections, and then I started to work on one section first, where I parted it in smaller sections and did the same thing that I did on the back. Just section them, elastic them with an elastic band, and then I just proceeded to applying the braid here just like I did in the back. This is a really easy way to do your own hair. It's a protective style, and I find it very convenient, especially if you lead a very busy lifestyle like I do. I don't have the time to get up every day to be combing my hair, so once I have this in, it is already done when I get up in the mornings, and I'm ready to be about my day. Haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm just asking you to just please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far, and you are free to leave a comment. You're free to share my videos if you have already subscribed. Thank you so much for the support. It means a lot. And now we're down to the two front pieces. Same procedure, just doing the same thing I did with all the other sections. I actually did this so late I actually did this so late in the night. I had to put my baby to bed first, and he goes to sleep at about 1 o'clock, and I was up doing this till about in the wee hours of the morning. I was finished, so I left the ends for the next day when I decided to put them in hot water, which you'll see me doing next. I was just playing around with the braid to see what it would look like in a half up, half down style. So this is me then the following day. I'm just putting the ends in some hot water just to keep them together so they will not start pulling out. And that's my braids, y'all. I really like this style, and look at this. This is 1 week after I braided my hair. It is still popping. I still love it. I just did my makeup and I was feeling myself, and I am definitely gonna be doing my hair again in a braid style. I'll be trying out different looks and different hairs because I like change. I like to change my hair up, you know. This is me trying it in an updo and it looks totally bomb.